Hi, it's Heidi with Your Mom Tries, and in today's try, we try part 2 of trying new hairstyles. Today's try, we try flat iron curls. You can kind of see what they turned out with here. Let's roll the intro and get on to it. Okay, so I dyed my hair. Here is what I dyed it. I'll put it up on the screen. So it's nice and purple. I'm still gonna try to rock the middle part. And today we're gonna do some flat iron curls, but I need to blow dry it. I also got some different products from Target. This one. So we'll see how that goes. New brush, new blow dryer with the fine nozzle. My arm's starting to hurt. Okay, I think it's pretty dry. So we're gonna start in with the flat iron. I think I'm still gonna segment it, straighten it, and then go into flat iron curls. Not really good at any of those steps, so we'll see. This is a heat protectant, and I don't use a lot of heat on my hair anyways. Like, this is like the most I've done to my hair. Probably 2 years. So don't worry about the health of my hair. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm just gonna straighten that. Here we go. I think I have too much hair. Too much hair. My gray hair. I made a bad mistake, and before this dye job, I hastily dyed it a permanent like maroon red, some hints of purple, and covered up the gray a little too well. So now I don't have my gray streaks, which are sad. Apparently doing the back of your hair is a thing. I don't know if I believe in it. Still have some like flyaways. I don't know if you can see them. Okay, time to curl. This side is like the worst. I don't know. Maybe I'll redo a couple of those pieces. Okay, so I don't know if there's any 30 some odd year olds out there that are like me and have just never liked doing their hair or found confidence. I go through phases where I'm like, I'm really gonna try. I'm gonna try to do my hair and I'm gonna try to do it in new ways. I'm not gonna do the same old pulling it up into a messy bun or ponytail. So I'm in that phase. I'm in that phase of let's try. Let's try to view it as a little bit more self-care, a ritual, that type of thing, and kind of embrace that side of doing hair instead of just thinking it's a chore. I think I do have some sensory issues. I don't really like it around my face, especially like if I'm hot and sweaty. So I'm just trying new things with my hair. All right, stay tuned for some more hair tries. I'm gonna put them in a playlist here on YouTube. Feel free to comment tips or things you wanna see me try in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember that all tries are good tries.